called the largest real estate dealer for your Mumbai-based developer, Shapoorji Pallonji, is understood to have sold its Chennai IT Park to a pension fund. Manasi Ghelani broke that story early today, joined in now with the details. In fact, might I add, Manasi was also the first one to break the range and reach work, literally swim to work, if I'm correct, Manasi?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually swam to work. But coming back to the story, what we're picking up right now is like everyone in Bombay at least knows that Shapoorji Pallonji is one of the biggest developers, and they have, managed to sell this Chennai IT Park, which is called as SP Intercity, to CPPIB, which is the Canadian Pension Plan Investment Board. They do have existing tie-ups with CPPIB for other projects in India. In fact, CPPIB is aggressively looking at more opportunities, and they have managed to crack the deal for about 1,300 crore rupees. Now, this IT Park is spread across 2.7 million square feet. So at that rate, analysts are telling us that this is a really market deal that CPPIB has managed to crack. In fact, this was a joint venture between the developer, that's Shapoorji Pallonji, and a Mumbai-based private equity fund which is called as New Vernon. And they have sold it off completely. In fact, they state that this is known to be one of the largest PE exits that a company has managed to have since 2005. So clearly, both ends are really good deal at this point in time.
Absolutely. In fact, one of the largest PE deals in recent times, Manasi, good to see you in Gaya now.